came to Bar Taco and we got the avocado tacos to try and they look so good.
They're like fried avocado.
It looks amazing. And Emily got her bowl.
That's like
It's not focusing, but it looks so good. And I'm so excited to be back. So, look how good this looks. Got the margs. Yum! And our friend just hooked us up, so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you're watching.
If you're watching. Guys, Emily just dropped her lid. She's trying to eat her leftovers in the car with the lid. It is so gloomy, it's so depressing. Guys, it snowed in the middle of the night. And it looks so pretty out there. I'm just finishing up my coffee real quick, but we're about to go out. We need to run a couple errands today, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. It's so cute. Excuse my like messy room in the background. I just have on some sneakers, some joggers, and just very casual, but I really want to wear these sunglasses even though the sun is not out, but I feel like they complete the look, so I think I'm just gonna wear them anyways.
Alright, so I got my Levi's jacket.
Oh my god.
I got it at the Levi outlet in Gulf Shores.
He's trying to copy me right now.
I got
Alright,
my
we have to go.
vintage 90s Cubs hat.
Amazing.
I got from eBay. Got Stumptown coffee.
Fabulous.
Express jeans.
Great.
Fleetwood Mac. Rumors
Amazing.
t-shirt.
Okay, let's go. I got a juice this morning, which I don't know why I'm drinking juice because it's so freezing. But yeah, there's ice stuck all on the window. It's so cold out. Next week, I think one of the nights is supposed to be like 3 degrees, which is insane. I hope I won't have to leave the house and I can stay by the fire all night. So we came and got coffee before we go to Whole Foods, and I got a oat milk latte. And what'd you get?
Just an espresso.
Yum. With that little piece of chocolate?
Yeah, it's my piece of, yeah.
That is so
Don't
cute.
look at my piece of chocolate.
Oh, okay. So cute. Guys, it is literally so cold out right now. I am freezing. Oh, there's a cute dog. Look how cute. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so cute. We're going grocery shopping right now. It's kind of later in the afternoon, but I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. Is there anything you want for dinner?
Nope, I've got no preference.
So, oh, it's lighting though. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up a few things real quick from Whole Foods, and then we might go to Target, I don't know. I need a couple of things, so we might do that. So we just got home from Whole Foods and Target. I just put everything away. I'm about to go hit a quick workout real quick and then come back and make dinner. I think I want to make some type of wraps. I got some really good tortillas today, so I kind of want to use those with something. But all of the avocados that they had there, none of them were ripe. So I can't have any avocado tonight with my wrap, and that's kind of depressing, like a smidge bit, you know? Just a smidge. But I just put everything away in the fridge, so it's nice and stocked and organized, and that makes me so happy. So I just made dinner. I made kind of like, I don't really know what to call this. It's usually like a taco or fajita kind of thing. It's just chicken and spinach and cheese, sour cream, black beans, and it looks really, really good. So we're about to go eat this, and Bo is making me watch. What are you making me watch?
Parks and Rec.
Because I've never seen it before, and he claims that I would really like it. So we'll see. We will see. What are you doing? Are you doing your drink? You're swallowing it. Hi guys, so we just got done eating lunch. I had the best French onion soup and I'm still sipping on my iced coffee. It is so good. It is just an iced caramel latte with a splash of almond milk. It's delish. We're about to go to some like outdoorsy kind of place. They have hiking shoes, which I need to go and get some because we're gonna go hiking this weekend and I'm really excited about it, but it's gonna be like a high 25, so that's that. But we're just about to go. Say hi.
Hey.
And yeah. Okay, so we're back home right now and we're just about to go hit a little workout, but I wanted to update you guys. There's Bo in the background. Hi. Hi.
Hey.
Just wanted to update you guys with what's going on. We might go to Home Goods in just a bit. I have an addiction to Home Goods. It's really bad. I really don't need to buy anything, but I want to buy something. I don't know, I'm really into like cute little like artsy decor pieces and they have really cool books there, so I want to see if I can find something cool. And we might go get sushi for dinner. I don't know yet, but yeah, we're just gonna go work out real quick and I would bring you guys with me, but I already showed you guys my workout the other day, so I'm just gonna leave my camera here. So I will see you guys in just a bit. So we just got done working out and we're supposed to go get dinner, but now I'm kind of tired, so I decided to take a poll on Instagram of if I should go and get sushi or eat at home. And so far, one person has voted. 2 people have voted. Okay, so I don't know. I'm gonna come back to this in a minute and see what it says.
Up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.